Welcome back to the channel, where we take you on a journey meet the cutest and most unexpected stars. Today, we are heading to Thailand's Khao Kheow Open Zoo, just east of Bangkok, to meet the internet sensation stealing hearts worldwide, Moo Deng, a 2-month-old pygmy hippo who's been making waves on social media. With her adorable pinkish cheeks and playful nature, Moo Deng has drawn millions of online fans and significantly increased zoo visitors. Since her keepers began posting snippets of her life online, she's become an instant star. One moment, she's munching on grapes, the next, she's rolling on the floor or splashing under the Thai sun. Her natural charm is undeniable, and it's easy to see why she's winning over the internet. Some of Moo Deng's most popular moments include playful antics, like chewing on her handler's knee during bath time. One video, where she enjoys a gentle pat under her chin, has already racked up over 5.8 million views on Facebook, and fans can't get enough of her. Comments like, "She's a superstar reincarnated as a hippo," flood the page, showing just how much people have fallen for this tiny wonder. But Moo Deng's rising fame comes with a downside. The zoo's director, Narongwat Choi, shared that visitor numbers have spiked by at least 30%. However, not all attention has been positive. Some tourists have been less than considerate, throwing objects or pouring water on her. Narongwat was quick to issue a warning, vowing legal action against anyone harming Moo Deng, and reminding visitors to be kind to the zoo's beloved baby hippo. Native to West Africa, pygmy hippos like Moo Deng are much smaller than their full-sized cousins. With only about 2,000 remaining in the wild, Moo Deng's birth is even more special. Born to parents Jonah and Tony, she's now the youngest sibling to Moo Toon and Moo Warn, yes, all named after popular Thai dishes. If you're planning a visit to the zoo, the best time to catch Moo Deng in action is early morning between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m, when she's most playful, especially during enclosure cleanings. Afternoons are also great, as she often follows her mother Jonah around closely, showing just how clingy she can be. Moo Deng is more than just a zoo attraction. She's a rising star with an infectious personality. So, next time you're in Thailand, don't miss the chance to meet this bouncy little piggy in person. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing animal adventures here on this channel.